I'll be your huckleberry. I'll be your dark and scary. I'll be your man of the hour, Mr. Churchstone Sour.
All right, what up, y'all? Puddin' here. Hey, if you can't tell, I don't know if you can see, but that is their generator. It's a 3400, 400 starting, or 4000 starting, 3400, 4000 starting, the exact same generator. Picked this up when I was in Ohio. Just for you that know, Mark, I paid for it with my own money. Anyway, we'll get back to the, we're gonna unbox this thing and we're gonna put it together, and then they haven't even started theirs yet, so what we're gonna do in this, Chunky, why don't you come in here for a minute? Why don't you introduce yourself to everybody? This is my long lost son. This is Chunky. Chunky looks like me. Yeah, he looks like me. Anyway, he and I are going to be opening this. We're going to be putting it together, and then we're going to start both of them because both of them have not been started or pre-ran yet.
It's still a virgin.
Yeah, it's still a virgin, so we want to make sure that we pre-start both. And then also something we want to do is that we want to show you guys why we picked these certain generators to run our rigs. Something you guys will eventually find out is that y'all know I got a Hornet, and I've had my Hornet since 2017. They went and got their rig. They have a Hornet. When I bought my generator, at first I didn't know they had this, but then I'm like, wait a minute, this looks familiar. Then I find out that we both have the same generator. We both have the same air conditioner. We both have the same, what else? There's a bunch of shit. Same solar panels.
Inverter.
Same inverter. We have the same everything. It was like mind-blowing. So anyway, let's get started. I know you guys don't want to hear me talk.
Overview of the box. You
Oh.
have the CO. Yeah, it detects the CO, automatic shutdown.
The thing and the reason why I got this one, I know, and you guys will see this in time, or if you can see on this, it has the caps over the plugs. I don't know if you guys can, now you guys can see that, but it has caps. Has the RV hookup, and then you have two of the regular 110. The reason I got this was mainly because of the caps, and it will protect this in all kinds of weather. So anyway, so here, let's get started on this one, Chunk. And I know everybody's gonna be like, don't be opening the box with the knife facing towards you. Ready?
It didn't open.
I know. I cut it 3/4 of the way through and then it missed. Okay. Rednecks don't go with the box for this one. Let's try to keep all this stuff in one area. Okay, and then you said
slice the bottom.
You said to slice the bottom.
Yep.
Just along the tape, right?
Yep. Just
now, do we need to flip it?
Just do this.
Okay. I'm going to open these.
What we'll do is we'll pull these two out flat. Lean it back over. You'll grab this one.
All right.
Are you ready? You'll lift. Like so.
Ta-da! Hey, look, I'm half of Madonna. I don't know if that showed up. Half of Madonna.
Yep.
Okay. So here is the new one.
Look at that sexy beast.
Birdie. Okay, I'm gonna lift up. Here, try to come up. Okay.
Free.
Got that. Okay, so I want to keep these. Is this Japanese?
Light.
Yai, 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 or no, I can't. Hi. God only knows. Okay. Oops, sorry.
First shot out of the box.
Sexy. And also has a handle, and it has a lock pin over here, so you can lock the handle straight. So whenever you get the tires and stuff on it, it will work great. Oh, dude, you're popping my stuff.
Could you imagine how long the video would be if I let you stand here and pop all these before I opened it?
Oh, dude, the video would go on for at least an hour and a half, maybe longer. Okay, so we got those out. Okay, that goes up.
Don't forget to take the condom off the front of it.
Yeah, no, I keep getting that one sweat ball that goes into my eyeball, and I don't want it on my glasses. And then, take that off of there. Take that off of there. Let those hook up there. Take that off of there. Gosh, she is a sexy beast, though, ain't she?
They're Twinkies.
I know. Okay, so we will turn it around first, and we will do the wheels. Oh, there's the lock pin right there. Okay, so just so you guys see this, there's a lock pin that goes right here. That goes all the way through, so you have a handle now. Make it a lot easier to deal with.
See, there's not a lot of reviews of this thing on YouTube yet. That's the thing.
So that's why we wanted to do this, and we wanted to put it together on camera so that way you guys can see. All right, let's go ahead and get started and get the wheels on. Would you like this? I just used your knife, it's a lot easier. I like the color too. Seahawks. Madonna. Caca! Okay, so cap's got to come off, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Caps off. Just to take the caps off, you have two little wings here. You just push them in and push out, and the caps come out. Squeeze. Okay, I'm gonna grab my chair. My back is starting to hurt a little. Sorry, not that I'm lazy. It's just my back fucking starts hurting after standing for a while.
Those will go on the back of those, and then you got two washers.
Okay,
Which I'm giving you right now.
and these are for the tires, right?
Yep.
Okay, two washers go on the other side of the cotter pin, right?
Actually, they go one on this one,
Oh, one on one side and one on the other side?
and then you'll flip. Actually,
Or one on the wheel side.
Flip it.
What gets flipped?
This. In.
Okay, so it goes there. And then, so does one go on this side?
Yeah, put it there. And then this goes
There.
And then put your cotter pin in.
Oh, there's not another?
No, there's only one.
Okay. Okay.
All right. And then put your cap back on.
And then,
I'll let you do that.
oh, you're so sweet. Now work my two holes. There we go. All right.
So that you can show your peoples.
There's one. Bolt. Washer.
Hole.
Hole. Cotter pin.
Hold on.
So if you guys notice, so you see the cotter pin goes right in here. This all slides in. Then I turn it this way. Cap snaps back on, and you are done. Now, wasn't there legs? Oh, there are legs. Go
Yes.
on the front. Okay, so here are the legs that go on the front.
Yep. And that's why I brought this piece. It is a 10mm wrench and I want to say 8mm socket on an impact.
Okay. So I'm guessing this is the 8, this is the 10. choke. Oh, that is the choke. What the hell am I talking about? All right. So all we're gonna do. Damn, that's pretty quiet. There you go. Now, as you can tell, both are running. Why is yours smoking? I think you put too much oil in it.
That's what I said.
There it goes.
Listen to that at full idle. It's not fucking quiet.
We can actually have a conversation. I can hear you. Yeah. Both of these are running. Both of them are actually running. And I can actually hear and have a decent conversation.
I bet you'll be able to hear us on the camera too.
Auto idle. You just turned yours off. Now turn it back on. There. Dude, these things are quiet. Very, very quiet. Very quiet. I'm impressed. I don't care what people says about Ryobi. Some people say they don't like him, and then other people will go for champion. That thing is just super freaking quiet. People give Ryobi kind of a bad name, but I'm telling you right now, these sound good. They're very quiet. We held a conversation while they both were running.
They're relatively lightweight.
And they're relatively lightweight. The handle helps a lot. I can tell you that right now. And with my back problems and stuff, this will come in a lot handier than that big 5700 watt. And the 5700 watt is probably just a little bit bigger than this one. So. Turn the auto idle off.
Even still, that's still quiet.
We may have to just dump a little bit of oil out of yours just to make sure we don't burn it none. Okay, they work.
It's clear now.
These are very nice, and I'm glad we picked these ones up. I had no clue they had one, but now we both have the same thing, so we're set. Now you see how they work, and then we'll give you an update probably in a couple months and let you know how they're working and if they work well enough to say that if you guys want one to go get one or what. But yeah, these things are nice.
Like I was saying, they have the CO shutdown, so if they start, this thing has a CO detector on it, and it'll shut down if it picks up that it's, you know.
That is cool.
Yeah, it's actually right there.
So if you guys are looking to get something as far as an inverter generator, these would probably be the ones to get.
Very easy to start.
Oh my god, dude, with my back, I've never seen anything that easy. My back, you guys know I got a fucking fucked up back and a leg, and then I just sit there and that easy. Get a thumbs up for me.
Okay, yeah, they're both making that same noise and they shut off.
Yeah. All right, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. We have a lot more videos to come. I'm gonna have to edit this down a little bit because it's like 28 minutes long, but I will edit it down and I will try to get it up here within the next day or two. So you guys love one another, be kind to one another, and live life to the fullest, because tomorrow's not promised. You guys have a great day. God bless each and every one of you, and I love you all.
So put your drinks up for the weekend, 'cause them work days